When it comes to refrigerator maintenance and upgrades, one component that often goes unnoticed is the refrigerator glide. However, this small part plays a pivotal role in the smooth operation of your refrigerator drawers, ensuring they slide in and out effortlessly without causing damage to your appliance. Today, I'm excited to talk about the Yes Parts Durable Refrigerator Glide, model WP67001054, a product that promises not only to replace your worn-out glides but also to enhance the overall functionality of your refrigerator. What sets the WP67001054 glide apart is its impeccable compatibility and superior quality. Designed to replace part number 67001054, 12656601, 1005904, 12656601 SP, AH2065592, EA2065592, and PS2065592, this glide is a versatile solution that fits a broad range of refrigerator models. From the 5GB19PRYA0 to the ABB1922FEQ3, and many models in between, this glide is compatible with most top-brand refrigerators, ensuring that many users can benefit from this upgrade. The installation process of the WP67001054 glide is remarkably straightforward, which is a huge plus. There's nothing more frustrating than receiving a part for your appliance, only to find out that you need special tools or skills to install it. Thankfully, this glide is designed for easy installation, allowing even those with minimal DIY skills to fit it into their refrigerators effortlessly. This ease of installation not only saves time but also money that would have otherwise been spent on professional installation services. Quality is another area where the Yes Parts refrigerator glide shines. The manufacturer promises that this glide meets, or even exceeds OEM specifications for quality. In an era where aftermarket parts often fall short of original equipment manufacturer, OEM, standards, this claim is reassuring. The glide is made from durable materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring that once installed, it will provide years of reliable service. Moreover, coming brand new in original retail packaging, you are assured of receiving. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.